Howdy, and welcome to the tutorial on how to efficiently use the new Affiliate Provider Transfer Credit document for Texas A&M Education Abroad. So this document was made to aid students in their transfer credit pre-approval process, and it contains all of the relevant information from some past students who have studied abroad through an affiliate provider. Hopefully you've had the chance to read through this PDF, and once you have, you can scroll to the bottom and hit click here for the document, and that will take you to the Google Sheets. So to break down all of the information in this spreadsheet, we have 8 different columns. Those are the college, department, and major the student was in when they studied abroad, the approved A&M credit that they could take abroad, the host university/provider course number, title, and finally their experience name and affiliate provider link. So since there is a lot of information in this spreadsheet, I'm going to teach you a way to sort to find the information that you really want and that is really helpful. So you're going to start by clicking on filter views and you're going to say create new temporary filter view. This is going to allow you to sort the whole entire document by specific columns. So let's say that I really wanted to get credit for a specific class and I wanted to look at what past Aggies had gotten credit for that class and what classes they took for that credit and what affiliate provider they went through. So I'm going to go to approved A&M credit, hit these 3 lines up here, then I'm going to say clear and type in INTS 485 because that is the credit that I want. I'm going to hit OK. So this is going to give me all the INTS 485 credits that past Aggies have taken and what classes they've actually taken. So you can see that I can possibly get an INTS 485 credit for economics and political science in Paris, but past Aggies have also gotten an INTS 485 credit for social media digital identity in Barcelona. So that's really helpful in seeing those different things. And then you can slide over and see what affiliate provider programs could actually get you that INTS credit. And as you can see, there's a bunch of different ones. So it gives you a lot of opportunities to go and research that. So if I want to exit out of this filter view, I'm just going to hit this exit up here. And now let's say I want to sort the document by something else. So I'm going to go to the filter view again. And you can see now we have this temporary filter view 1, and that's the filter that we just had. So if you ever wanted to come back to it at a certain time, it's saved there and you can look at it. So we're going to say create new temporary view. So let's say this time I know that I want to go through a specific affiliate provider. I really like AIFS and I want to go through them. So I'm going to sort by the affiliate provider. I'm going to click these 3 lines, hit clear, and then I'm going to type in AIFS, and I'm going to say select all because there are a bunch of different ones. So that's going to give me only the AIFS ones. And now let's say, okay, I know I want to go through AIFS, but I also really want to get French credit for my trip. So I'm going to go to approved A&M credit. I'm going to hit the 3 lines, hit clear, and then I'm going to type in French. And I'm going to say select all. Okay. So now this is going to give me every single AIFS study abroad that got people French credit. So now I can look through what different courses I like. I'm really interested in French art, so I will look through these courses and sort by that. It looks like there's French art right here, history of art in France, and looks like that's it. So I'm going to hit OK. So these are the 2 courses that past Aggies have gotten from AIFS at a French level and their art. So you can see that you can get really specific if you keep sorting by different columns, and all of the columns have the ability to sort. So if you're looking for a specific major, a specific credit, a specific provider, any of that, you have all of those options here and ability to filter by those things. So thank you for watching, and I really hope you do utilize this really cool spreadsheet, and thanks and gig 'em.